What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. So happy to see you here today. We've got yet another unboxing video for you today. This is going to be one of our biggest ones that we've ever done. And so get ready to stop, drop, and roll, and let's go and let's dig in here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, rate, review, and click the bell notification to get notifications of my channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the brand new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro and answering one of the biggest questions that everybody is asking, which is, did the Packers put the camera inside of this box? Bit of background for you. One of the most important things about new technology is to check that it's actually inside of the box that it comes in. This is why we do unboxing videos. Now, this is all up to the Packers. The Packers are the people who put the cameras inside of the boxes, or they're the sports team. If there's a regulation size football inside of your box, that means they might have sent the wrong Packers into the factory that day. If that's the case, I would stop this video right now, flip on the TV, change the channel to sports, and see what's going on, because if the Packers are in the factory, then I'd be really curious in who's playing in the game. Okay, so enough dallying. Let's get in this and see what we're working with. So here we go, and this is basically what it looks like in there. No camera. That's not camera. That's papers. That's not camera. This is not one either. There's no camera in the box. Just kidding. I knew that I planned, this. I did that for dramatic effect so I could talk about the secret compartment. If you get this camera and there's no camera in the box that you could see, always remember to check the secret compartment. How do you check the secret compartment? This is a great question. Well, if there's a treasure chest in the box, open it. That's a pretty obvious sign. If there's a treasure chest that has a lock, then maybe use one of your keys from a previous dungeon and see if that works. You might be surprised. In our case, we don't got a treasure chest. We've just got these little handles, and what I'm gonna do is just pull this top piece up and just see what's under there. Okay. Do you see this? It's there. So Packers did put the camera in this box. So if you are the person who ordered this specific box, you will be receiving the camera with your order. Now, for anyone who didn't order this specific box and camera that I'm currently holding, here's what I'm gonna offer. All you need to do is send me the box that you ordered, and I will open it up with the exact same precision and attention to details that I did for this exact box, and I will see for you if there's a camera in there. And if there is, I'll let you know, but more likely than not, there probably will just be empty box, and so that'll save you the hassle. I'll recycle the box for you, and then I'll just go ahead and hold on to sort of whatever knickknacks or little things that come into the box. I can keep those for myself, and you won't even have to worry about it. Well, guys, that's the video for you. I sure hope it was worth it for you to find out what was in here. It was something that we thought was be in here, and it was in here. And I hope that your day, I hope you think your day is going to be good. You do it, and then it is good. Just as this is. I hope this was a metaphor that carries further. That carries further. God damn it! I hope this metaphor can be furthered into your specific life